and welcome back to course name Dev. In this video today, we are going to look at how you can create an AI assistant using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. As you can see here, we have the HTML. On this side, we have the JS or the JavaScript, and we have the CSS on this other side, like that. I'm going to explain everything, but before that, let us see the project that I had already explained, but I lost the video. So let me go deep into the video. As you can see here, let me just refresh it to start afresh, like that. As you can see here, we have this AI. I have just completed updating it, and we have, as you can see here, we have now the one that is learning in the localhost codes. So this is the one that is live now. I wanted to show you what I have updated. Like for example, if you chat hello on this bot, you can see that it is replying well. Also, when you chat the same here, you can see that the UI have changed like that, and you can see it is working fine. So how this work, you can click on something like that, you can click on the links here, and you can be able to contact you like this, that, and it will take you to contact page like that. So it makes the UI or the website look more creative, mm, instead of coming to each and searching every part of the system of the website. As you can see here, I have added the UI. You can see that this was not that friendly, but I have added this UI which looks good. I have added an icon here and the subheading here, and this informative information, and I have added these quick functionalities. When you first open it like that, you can see that it has some three suggestions, and when you click on the first one like that, you can see that it is working fine. You can click on the second one, still working, and when you click on the third one, still working. So let us test using the question that I had prepared. Like for example, the first question here, what services do Cosm Technologies offer, like that, and it will explain each in details like that. Maybe let us give it maybe that question, and you can see that it is working fine. Every answer, every question has an answer. Like for example, you can say this that you are active. Actually, I don't know what answer. Like for example, you can see here it have just replied with the default default answer. I will show you what I mean by the default answer in few minutes. So let us just dive into the codes right away. When you open Visual Studio like this, as you can see here, this is the front end. Like for example, this is the button that you click to access this button here. This is the button that you click to access to access the chatbot of the assistance. And this is the body of the assistance. Like for example, we have the title here, and we have the description here, and we have the course name logo here. That is the top part, plus we have the button here to cross the chatbot. We have the information here, the height there, and so on. And we have the click any suggestion below to start. Then we have the suggestions here. The three, if you want to like for example, I want to add the fourth, I will just copy this one and just paste it, change the value here, and the what is it says here, like that. What I mean, these are the questions that you find them in here, the startup questions here. Am I in the need of a website? When you come here, you can see in need of a website here. I'll just show you the CSS. For example, this is the root, the chart tangle, we have the hover span. This is the CSS. Let me go to the JavaScript side, and all these are constant. Like we have the toggle button, we have the chat window, we have the cross button, we have the send button, and we have the chat input and the chat body. Okay, this is where now the functionalities and like for example, we have the toggle to open and close the window. We have the cross button to just remove the chat. This is to open, this is to close. The send btn obviously is to send the information here, and you can see that we have the function send message here. The chat inputs, remember you can click on the enter button to just send it without even clicking the send button. We have the append message here to insert in the body or something of the kind. Then we have the bot replies hub here. All these are the answers that are expected or trained using the course name Technologie website. It is just like for example, you can copy this when the user asks how do you do, like expected answer is we are doing great, like that. And you can see here we are doing great and blah 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 blah, like that. Since this is a data fed AI, like for example, when a user input of the user is international, like for example, do you operate, sorry about that, operate internationally, like that. You can see we open internship and so on, like that. We can also use discounts, like that, and you can see we regularly offer special promotions, and you can see that it have answered the questions. Here is the default answer. You can remember I told you there is a default answer that was answered here. I think it was this one. You can see this is the default question. So that is it. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a like, share to your friends, and remember to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.